This is a review of my travel wallet. I am going to travel to Europe soon and I needed a travel wallet for the trip. So Sandmarc has just sent me just in time and I like this because it is the best looking travel wallet of all and it fits all my needs. By the way, although Sandmarc has sent me this wallet, but they did not ask me to do any review or am I compensated for that. So this is entirely my own view about this wallet. And I do have some pros and cons for this, which I will talk about it later. So let's get started. So this is the Sandmarc wallet in box. As soon as you open up the box, you have the wallet and okay, let's take out the wallet. So you have the wallet. It also has a small wristlet strap and this is a long strap. Okay, so I like that this wallet has a long strap because when I travel, I like to hang it around my neck. And this is for someone who like to carry the wallet in your hand. I'm not that, but I'm sure some of you who goes out prefer to have your wallet in your hand. So maybe this wristlet is perfect. So let's get rid of this box and take a look at the wallet. So this wallet has one compartment for your ID, but there is no plastic in the front, which is okay for me because I have this problem when there is plastic on the ID section, the card tend to get stuck with the plastic and I have problem taking it out. So I prefer it this way and there is one slot here and there's a zippered compartment, and in the zippered compartment you have two slots to put your SD cards and also your AirTag. So I will add those items later to show you how they fit. And at the back here, there's two slots for cards and also one slot here. Okay, so I have an AirTag here. So let's see how it fits, and it fits perfectly inside. And as for the SD card, and it does fit perfectly inside. So can I close it? Yep, I can close it fine and it's not disruptive. So this is nice. You can put two together. I only have one right now, so there's no problem at all. Okay, so for me, this AirTag feature is very good because I have this habit of misplacing my wallet sometimes. So having this AirTag is just perfect. And I definitely can relocate my wallet because of that. Now, I'm going to fill in all this item and then I will put in this strap to show you how it looks. So what shall we start? Okay, I have a bunch of cards in here. Okay, these are standard size cards. I bet I can actually put a lot more in here if I want to. There you go. So 4 cards there and one more in here. Okay, and as for the currency, I think you have to fold your currencies. All right, maybe I can use this. Okay, this is Malaysian currency, by the way. All right, can it fit? No, it cannot fit. So I have to fold it and keep it in here. Okay, or I can actually put it inside the zippered compartment. That's much safer, don't you think so? Okay, I'm planning to use for travel. So when I'm traveling, I like to carry a notebook and I'm not bringing my regular wallet because this is kind of thick and I can't hang it around my neck. So that's going to be a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into a travel wallet that is convenient for me to use like my regular wallet. Okay, so for that, I am going to add my book in here and it fits perfectly. I like this a lot. Okay, I can actually write straight from the wallet or I can just put in the book in here and then when I'm going to use it, I just take them out. Okay, I can also put it this way if I want to. You know, I can still write on them. That's perfect, isn't it? Okay, another thing is I also like to carry my ebook. So this is the XTE Ink 3. So it's perfect for this. So I can actually add this right in here. How about that? It's perfect, isn't it? So now I have just made it into a proper wallet. Okay, so when I'm traveling, I'm not going to bring like this many cards. All I'm going to bring is like 2 of my cards. So that would be 2 credit cards, means one will go here and another one will go in here. And the book is going to be there. And probably this one will be empty. So this is how the wallet is going to be. Okay, so this is a bit thick. Can you see that it's a bit thick on this side? That's because I have an AirTag in there, so it's adding some bulk to it. Okay, but if I remove this, yes, it's not bulky. If I'm traveling, I'm probably not going to read this except when I'm commuting in the train. So I would probably have it in here. Yep, it fits in the zip. That's less bulky actually. It's much better to be kept inside than outside for me. So just in case if you are looking for a wallet that fits STE ink, this is perfect. The smell of the leather is so amazing and the workmanship is really good because the leather is buttery smooth and the stitchings are awesome. So I'm pretty sure that this will last long, and I actually like the way the wallet feels in my hand, and it just fits perfect into my palm. So now let's try to fit in the strap. Ooh, this strap holder is kind of fancy. Can you see this? It opens up like this, like a claw. That's cool. Now I just fix it in there and voila. Now I'm going to show you how it's going to look like when I put it around my neck. So this is the wallet after I put it around my neck. So this is kind of long actually because it's right up to my waist. And the problem is I can't adjust it to make it shorter or to my desired length. And I prefer to be in this length because I like to put it into my jacket or my blouse so that it's not too revealing for someone to actually snatch it and go. I probably will figure out a way to shorten this to at least this, okay? But it's not heavy and the strap is really comfortable because it's made out of leather. And so the book I have put inside. So let's say if I only put the last page of the book and I carry it, the book tend to flap. So that's not nice. So I prefer to have it inside, okay? But here's the thing. This is so convenient because if I want to pay by card, I can just grab my card and then tap and then done. Or if I just want to read my ebook, then I just take my ebook out and start reading. And then I just put my ebook inside and that's it, and I can just walk along. Maybe I can put it on the side like this. Is it good? It's kind of tight though, so not a big fan of this style, you know? So I think I would rather go for this. All right, so changing it to the wrist and I can just fit it. Unfortunately, this does not have any sort of strap to, you know, tighten the strap into my wrist. I guess it's fine because it's less restricting. So, of course, this is not the only wallet that I'm going to travel with. This is going to be my travel bag. A small one. I love this, by the way. So this can also fit in here if I ever decide to, you know, not have it around my neck. So this fits perfectly inside. Yep. And I can just easily take it out if I want to. Yeah, this is so versatile. Oh, thank you so much, Sandmarc, for sending this. And I really love it. While I'm traveling, I'm going to do a separate video, maybe a YouTube Shorts. I haven't decided yet. I will be showing how I'm using this wallet and how it is useful. So if you are interested to purchase this wallet, I will leave a link down below in the description box. That's it for today. I will see you in my next video. Have a productive week ahead. Bye.